Ooh, juicy, juicy. Girl, who is you? Alright, hello there, Informed Beauties. Your girl Euniycemari here, and so today I am going to do a spa day with you guys, or I don't even know what to call this video, but pretty much my skin needs to be exfoliated with a little bit of mask. My lips have been really dry, so I'm just going to take some little time for myself, and I thought that I would share with you guys not only some new products that I was using, but just overall me having a spa day. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, and DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload, and if you love what I do here on my channel, give your girl a big thumbs up and share me with the world. Okay, so if I'm looking a little rough, you know, I got off of work, but my skin, I've been lacking a little bit in my skincare as far as like doing facial mask and exfoliating, things of that sort, which I can tell because the texture of my skin is a little rough. Even though I am oily prone, I do have like dry spots on my face. I've noticed that. I have a few breakouts on my jawline, so I was like, yeah, we need to get it together. My lips have been super dry. Look how crusty and dry they are. So I'm going to do a whole little exfoliation and a lip mask for that. So there's going to be two products that I'm going to be using today that are new for my exfoliating and for my lip hydration. Alright, you guys, so I am back with a fresh face, a nice fresh face. And if you're wondering what I use to cleanse my face, I just used my handy dandy African black soap to cleanse my face. So let's talk a little bit about the product that I'm going to be using. This is the Burts Bees exfoliating clay mask with plum extract. So pretty much this is for, it gently refines pores and smooth skin texture, rich in vitamin C, antioxidants to help refine pores, and a smoother, healthier looking complexion, suitable for oily and acne prone skin. Anyways, so this is a really small tube too. It is about 0.57 ounces, so it's really small, which kind of threw me off, but let's see how this goes, if it goes a long way. So you apply an even layer to a clean, dry face, avoid eye area and lip area. Oh, I was gonna put it on my lips. Guess not. Apply to dry for 10 to 15 minutes, wet fingertips, and gently exfoliate any troubled spots, and then rinse face with water. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on my face like I would any other face mask. You guys have seen me apply a face mask millions of times, so we're just going to go ahead and we're going to jump into this. The consistency I will share with you guys. Ooh, it looks just like that. It reminds me of like a bentonite clay kind of, but not really. It's like a green texture. It doesn't have a really strong scent to it. It just smells really soft and really nice. Really quickly though, let me see. Oh, okay. It has kaolin. That's the clay, kaolin. I haven't played too much around with kaolin before, so all right guys, let's go ahead and let's see how this mask applies. Okay, you guys, so this is the mask applied, and it is tingling. It is tingling so much. It reminds me a lot of the Shea Moisture Hibiscus exfoliator or face mask. That stuff's tingles. This is tingling. Now I want to keep it on for about, I want to do the full 15 minutes, but we're going to figure out what my face is feeling like in 10 minutes, because sometimes with these masks that have that high intensity tingle, you don't want to irritate your skin. So I'm having a really high intensity tingle with this, but it may go down or dissipate in a couple of minutes. So I'm going to leave it on I want to leave it on 15 minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it on as long as possible. I'm going to check back in with you guys and let you guys know if I'm going to cleanse, you know, continue on with the full 15 minutes or not. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I am back. My face is really hard. This is about, I want to say the full 15 minutes. I at the 10-minute mark could have washed it off. You guys can see it's really tight, so now it's time to rinse this off and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I am back and my face is cleansed. My skin looks really radiant. It feels really radiant, really smoothly. I did wet my fingertips and massage it into my face and it felt amazing and my skin feels amazing. So now we're going to jump into my next step, which is going to do a little bit of toner. I'm going to use my DIY witch hazel, chamomile infused witch hazel. I DIY'd this and it should be on my Etsy shop in a little bit. If you didn't know, I have an Etsy shop. The link will be down below. And also at the end of this video, you can always find it. But I just take that and I'm just going to go ahead and just thoroughly wipe down the face. Moisturizer of choice, which is going to be the Shea Moisture Moisturizing Jelly. I have a full review on this video, on this product as well. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my face because it's very important to moisturize your face after you're doing any type of exfoliation or any type of mask or treatment. And my skin feels so smooth. Oh my gosh. So once my moisturizer is applied, I'm going to go in with an oil. Lately, I've been using an oil to seal the deal because you guys, my skin, even though it's oily, it has had dry spots or it seems like at least the moisture is just not staying. So I'm going to use some good old grapeseed oil. Can't go wrong with it. And I put actually a lot on my hands. So I'm going to actually rub it into my hands a little bit to take away some of this oil. And then I'm going to apply it to my face. And grapeseed oil is a really light oil. I love it. So after doing that, I'm going to jump in with my Rose Quartz roller and I'm just going to give my face a nice little roll. Okay, you guys, and then so if you want to, I have a full video on where I got this from and how you use this properly. So if you want to see that video, I will link it down below and above. So next for my spa day, I'm going to jump into my lip care because my lips have been extremely dry. So we're first going to start off with a little bit of a lip exfoliator, and it's going to be a really simple lip exfoliator using sugar and oil. So let's jump into it. Okay, you guys, so I am back and we're going to jump into doing a little lip exfoliator before we apply the lip mask. I just have a little bit of some coconut sugar, if you guys can see in here. You don't need a lot when it comes to the lips, and this is just a quick DIY. You can do it with brown sugar, white sugar, anything of that sort. So what I'm going to do, there's a few ways I can do this. I'm going to put some oil on the back of my hand. As long as you give the sugar or something some base, you should be fine. So we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to put the oil on my lips. Look like a lip gloss, huh? Okay. And then I'm just going to dip my finger that has oil on it into the sugar. And I'm just going to apply it to my lips in circular motions. Okay, you guys, so that was a change of plans. I actually went and rinsed it off my lips. If you are using sugar, don't do what I just did. You see, even somebody like me who knows better, who tries to cut corners, you still end up not being able to do it. So definitely rinse off the sugar so that your skin is not sticky. But now that my skin is nice and exfoliated and I have a nice clean canvas, we're going to jump into this lip exfoliator. So this is the Burts Bees Moisturizing Lip Mask. Alright, and pretty much this is a metal foam, seed, and almond oils. Instantly hydrates and redefines lips. The moisture and flavor of our balms now in a sheet form. Burts Bees Moisturizing Lip Mask instantly hydrates and defines your lips, leaving them soft and smooth using a blend of natural ingredients, including metal foam, seed, and almond oils. And they're 100% leave you nourished lips. And so how to use is that you put it on the lips and leave it there for 5 minutes, and then you remove mask and gently massage excessive formula into lips. No rinsing required. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. This is it looks like it's a one-time user. So this definitely is just a one-time use. So let's take this out. It looks really interesting. It's literally like just this. That's it. That's all that's in that little package. Ooh. For $3. Okay. So, oh, this is the top part. So it looks like this. That's the top part. That's the bottom part. So you put it over your lips. Hold on. Like so. Ooh, juicy, juicy. Girl, who is you? Okay. And then you're supposed to massage the rest of it in. Like so. And my lips feel really hydrated. They feel really smooth. Okay. So this may be going overboard or overkill because you guys can see I'm already nice and glowy. But I'm going to put a little bit of lip oil on by Burts Bees. You guys know it's one of my favorite, my new faves. Just to kind of seal in the deal with everything and to make sure that my lips stay a little bit hydrated longer than usual. But just a little bit. I'm not going to put a lot at all. And this is the almond oil hydrating lip oil. You guys, I don't know what it is, but Burts Bees with the lip products, I did a full video, bomb.com. So you guys, this is my full like at home like little mini like spa day. It's just the way that I like to, after some time, after a long day, after I haven't done anything with my skin, it's just a quick, simple and effective way to show your skin some love, show yourself some love, and to feel better about yourself. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. All products that I use will be listed down below. Any questions you guys have will be listed down below. Any questions you guys have, you guys can leave them down below. Anyway, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video.